Back in action on John's 56. Just undid the U-bolts. I'm going to pull out the drive shaft. Get ready to start tearing that down and cleaning that up. We are going to replace the U-joints. Oof. I haven't seen one with the tethers in forever. Come on out. Maybe. Oh, wow. That's cute. She's kind of stuck in there. All right, we got it out. That thing is nasty dirty. You can tell that trans has been leaking from the rear seal for a very, very long time. Hold on, I'm going to turn the light on. Yeah, obviously leaking for a very long time. Look at the encrusted goo on the seal. Ugh. Ugh. So we're gonna be doing a little cleanup down here. Clean up on aisle 5. Also gonna get started on getting this exhaust out of here. This might just, it's held on by just the hanger. That's cute. So we gotta get that all out. Pull that. Gotta get this seal situated and handled right here. Oh, that's funny. The seal itself is fine. It's the dust boot that's not so good. Oh, that's a little squishy. Guess we can deal with that. Ugh. But we do have the seal for it anyway. Yeah, there's a whole dust boot. And that died a horrible, horrible death. So we will order one of these up. Fun. Okay, so that's out. Gonna move on to the exhaust now. Try to get that stuff out of here the best we can. It's pretty much rust dust, but easy enough. All right, so I knew from the get-go there's gonna be no way I was gonna be able to separate and unbolt all this exhaust. So we're just cutting. Cutty, cut, 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 cut. Get it all out of here. Then we gotta unbolt it here at the collectors. Have all that out tonight. Coming along. I'm gonna start undoing the rest of these brake lines too. So the kit is on the way. It hasn't arrived yet, but it will be here soon. Probably midweek. So we can start on that. So I just pushed on the muffler and the ancient rubber for the mounts said, yeah, no more, see you later, bye. So one side of the exhaust is pretty much out. Let's see how lucky we get with the other side. That looks like we got a broken backup light switch, maybe? Neutral safety? Oh, no, it's okay. That's just goo. All right, cool. It's in good shape. Yay! One less thing we gotta fix. But this is gonna come out here momentarily. I mean, it's already pretty much out. Yahtzee. So just need to pull that one piece of pipe out. And that's about it for the exhaust.